Even when things seem to be moving according to our plan, there may be something else at play, guiding us. When you're being led in a direction that completely strays from your vision, how do you choose to respond? As a result of the global pandemic, traveling abroad has become difficult and our lives have become restricted in many ways. Wanting to somehow make use of the situation, I decided to travel within my country's borders. I discovered and experienced a new side of Japan that I had never seen before, and felt a newfound love and pride for my heritage. Allow me to share with you this place that I love with all of my heart, Japan. In every country in the world, culture and tradition have been passed down for generations, enriching the lives of its people. The same applies to Japan, and I've personally been able to experience and capture many of these things. Being Japanese, it's easy to forget just how beautiful, unique, and alive the culture is. This is the beauty that I aim to express through my work. What pops into your head when you think of Japan? Advanced technology? A developed economy? What if I told you that 80% of Japan's land is covered by forested mountains and hills? You could say that Japan is a country blessed with nature. We live side by side with danger, like volcanoes and earthquakes. But this also tells us that the nature around us is alive and full of magnificence. I hope I was able to convey this passion I have for my country. I had no interest in such things until a few years ago, but I feel that there's a deeper meaning behind my change of heart. My ultimate goal is to communicate these emotions and be a source of inspiration. I hope I have inspired you, even if only a little. I urge you all to follow your heart's compass and continue walking in the direction that it guides you.